Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Tay. It is me, Tay, and I'm here to show you this new and very creative DIY stand that I did for my kitchen on today. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will always know when I upload my latest video. So first thing first, in this video on today, I am using a lot of repurposed items. As you can see, this first item is repurposed. The stand itself is a fruit crate from like a farmer's market. My grandma actually got this particular crate from a sale. I think either someone gave it to her or it is a thrifted item. As you can see, I have my eggs, I have my oil, and I also have salt and pepper on this stand. It's right here on my stove. So pretty much you need all these items to cook with on a daily basis. So I thought that I could just make a quick and easy stand to keep all of these items that I use to cook with on a daily basis. So pretty much I reused a lot of items. This clear jar that you see is a $9 pickle jar. I pretty much just rinsed it out and put some florals in it from Dollar Tree. I tried my best to match the colors with the florals and with the fabric cloth that I put around the crate itself. The fabric cloth with the blue truck. And the sign that says filled with joy, all of those are Dollar Tree finds. You know, I love Dollar Tree, and those finds are a Dollar Tree find from last year. I love these quick and simple DIYs like these. Everything that you put in your house don't necessarily have to cost lots and lots of money. Be creative, keep an open mind, do not throw away everything. Like I said earlier, you really don't have to purchase everything. A lot of things can be repurposed in your home. I love how this DIY turned out on today. I love how everything is placed. It looks so beautiful. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.